Hey guys, so as you can see, we have the new iPhones with us. So today is going to be a great day because we have the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's get straight to the point, let's unbox these phones. So let's start with the iPhone 11. As you can see, it is yellow and it's like sunshine, okay? Brighten up your life. Oh my god. So this is the iPhone 11 in yellow. They should have called it pastel yellow or sunshine yellow, I don't know. And we get, let's see, paperwork, Apple logo that I'm gonna stick all over the place later. Usual charger. And we of course have the lightning earpods and the lightning cables. And now the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which comes in a fancy black box. Unwrap this. Look at the fancy camera right here with the unique square bump. And we'll see what else is inside. Same thing, paperwork with the logo, sticker logo sticker. Okay, we are getting the 18-watt fast charger just like the iPad Pro. Yeah, so this comes with a fast charger, but the iPhone 11 doesn't. And you'll obviously get the lightning earpods and the lightning cable. Okay, so we are going to be taking out this plastic cover. This one, oh my god. So while the iPhone 11 Pro Max is setting up, we're going to talk about the iPhone 11. So on the front, it looks the same with the iPhone XR, except that it's obviously in dark mode right now, iOS 13 guys. But on its back, you'll see that there is this square camera bump. And what makes it different from this iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max is that while it has a glossy finish here and a matte finish around its camera design, it's the opposite on the 11 Pro Max. The 11 Pro Max has a matte finish but a glossy camera bump. So the 11 Pro Max is done setting up. You can see that it obviously has a bigger screen, 6.5-inch OLED display, and this is the 6.1-inch Liquid Retina display. And the amazing thing about this is Apple increased its brightness up to 1200 nits. So that's actually like brighter than my future. So both of this phone is powered by the latest A13 Bionic chip. So I think the A12 was already super good, so I don't know how much better this can be. It's supposed to be, I think, about 20% better than the predecessor. And this one comes with 64 gig of storage, and it can go up to 512 gig of storage, while this one can go up to 256 gig of storage. Now, when the XR was launched last year, it was Apple's iPhone with the longest battery life, and this year the iPhone 11 is gonna have 1 hour longer than the XR, and the 11 Pro Max will have 5 hours longer battery life than the XS Max. So this is going to be one of the best iPhones with longest battery life so far. As you've seen in the box just now, the iPhone 11 Pro Max has an 18-watt charger, so it supports fast charging. Not that the iPhone 11 doesn't support fast charging, it does, but it just doesn't have a fast charger. So let's say if you take this charger and charge it with this phone, it will still charge quickly. So Apple obviously also made improvements to the camera, which is why now you see this square bump, and iPhone 11 Pro Max finally have 3 cameras. So for the iPhone 11, this is the 12 megapixel wide angle lens and super wide angle lens, while this one is, this is the main lens, this is the super wide angle lens, and the one below is the telephoto lens. And on its front, Apple also improved the camera, so on its front it has a 12 megapixel lens, and it's supposedly able to take a wide selfie, so we are going to test it out. So we're outside right now because we are about to take some beautiful photos with the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's start with selfies. Not SLOFIES, selfies. I'm gonna just take a normal selfie with this phone. And now with the 11 Pro Max. Now Apple also have a high key light mono lighting, so we're gonna test that out too. as I said, Apple has also added a wide angle lens for the front camera. So this is how it normally looks like, but once you turn it to landscape, boom, it just became wider. Look at that. Also, you can do the same by clicking this button. So yay! Because more groupies. So this year, Apple also came out with this term called SLOFIE. So it's basically slow-mo, but with the front camera. So we're gonna test it out because SLOFIES. Okay, I hope I don't look like a crazy person right now. Okay, we are going to try SLOFIES with the iPhone 11 also. Shake, shake, shake! Yep. Okay, so Apple also added a few fancy features. If you look at this right now, this is what you will get. But if you can see the grey out area, that's supposedly how it looks like once you use the wide angle, the super wide angle. So yeah, you can like have a preview. And other than that, there is this zoom wheel. So you can just zoom however much you want, zoom out. I think this is really fancy. Whoa. Okay. And there is also this. Slide to your right and you'll start recording videos automatically on the photo mode. And if you want to do burst shot, just do this. Spam, spam, spam. Yep. Also, if you want to get to the settings of your photo, you can just swipe up. You'll see the ratio. You can choose between different ratios. The live mode, flash obviously, and this is the timer. And another thing that is fancy about Apple is of course the much improved night mode, but it's bright daylight, you know, we can't test that out. But if you want to see how it works, you see on the top left there will be this night mode icon that comes out whenever it detects that you are in a low light situation. It's gone, it's back, it's magic! So overall, the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max cameras are actually super good. The colors are really nice, and when it takes a wide angle, super wide angle shots, it's really nice. The colors are still there, the details are there, it's sharp. And I also really like the SLOFIES because it's like a nice and fun feature. You can try out or do it with your friends, and you can also take selfies now, like group fees, let's call it group fees, because of the front camera's wide angle lens. So there's that. I'm actually pretty impressed with the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max. So that's it for our video today. You will probably see another video coming up soon. It's either gonna be a review of the 11 Pro Max or the 11. I really don't know which I want to choose yet. So you can tell me in the comment section down below which one I should review first. And that's all. Subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I'm gonna go use new iPhone.